A new U.S. law that took effect on 11 April 2025 has made it mandatory for all immigrants to carry their ID all the time. USA President Donald Trump administration's new rule requires all immigrants carry proof of their legal status at all times. It is part of the new Trump executive order of protecting the American people against invasion. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has been told to prioritize enforcement and not allow sanctuary for non-compliance. The law will impact the nearly 5.4 million Indian origin persons in different ways depending on their visa or immigration status. Some 220,000 Indians in the US are said to be illegal immigrants. US officials say the rule will come down heavily on illegal immigration and deport millions living illegally. The Alien Registration Requirement, ARRA, stems from the Alien Registration Act of 1940. It required immigrants in the US to register, but was never consistently implemented. But President Trump has ensured strict implementation. Immigrant parents will need to register for their children under 14, and those turning 14 years must re-register and submit fingerprints within 30 days. Visitors arriving in the US on or after 11 April 2025 must register within 30 days of arrival. Failure to comply may result in fines, imprisonment, or both. Children above 14 years old and staying for 30 days or more must register with the government using Form G325R. Individuals changing their address must report within 10 days, with potential fines of up to $5,000 for non-compliance. Those with valid visas, work or study, or holding a green card are considered already registered and may not fill the form again. But they must carry documentation on person all the time. Failure to register can lead to fines or up to 6 months of imprisonment, and they could face deportation.